प्रकरण आता ऑलमोस्ट 8-10 दीस चल्ले आणि पॉवर मिनिस्टर बाब निलेश काब्रालान राघव चड्डाक जाता तितलो सक्सेसफुली अवॉइड केलो. पण जेन्ना तांणी म्हळें की प्रोटोकॉला खातीर ते एका गोंयकारा कडेन डिबेट करपाक तयार आसा, तेन्ना आमी तांकां चॅलेंज दिली की हांव एज अ कॉमन गोंयकार, एज आम आदमी, सामान्य मनीस कसो तांचे बरोबर ह्या इश्यूचेर डिबेट करपाक तयार आसा. तेन्ना तांचे कडेन अवॉइड करपाक आनी काय उरलें ना. आमी चॅलेंज दिल्ली ती बिरेस्तारा आनी म्हाका दिसता ताणें आतां एक्सेप्ट केलें. काल 5 दीस खूब चिंतचें पडलें तांकां, ही सुद्दां एक्सेप्ट करूं काय नाका. लास्टाक म्हाका दिसता ही एक्सेप्ट करूंक नाशिल्ली जाल्यार the minister and this government and the BJP would have had to suffer huge embarrassment and तांकां काय ऑप्शन नाशिल्लो म्हणून तांणी ही डिबेट एक्सेप्ट केली. जावं एक्सेप्ट केली. इट इज रिफ्रेशिंग टू नो. पयल्यांदा म्हाका दिसता अशी एक मिनिस्टर आनी एक सामान्य मनशा मदीं एक डिबेट जातली आनी लोकां फुडें कोणाचो मॉडेल बरो, आम आदमी पार्टीचो मॉडेल बरो काय भारतीय जनता पार्टीचो मॉडेल बरो ऑन द इश्यू ऑफ पॉवर, हे लोकां फुडें फाल्यां क्लियर जावनी. जशें ऑलरेडी प्रसिद्धी जाल्ली आसा, ही डिबेट फाल्यां EDC हॉलान वेडनसडे सांजे 4 वरांचेर EDC हॉलान जातली. अनफॉर्च्युनेटली ही पब्लीक डिबेट जावपाची आशिल्ली, पूण जशें काब्राल बाबान अनाउन्स केला की हातून पब्लीक अलाउड नासतलो, पूण जावं आमचे मिडियाचे भाव भयणां आसतली आनी थ्रू मिडिया वील मेक दीस पब्लीक आनी सगळ्या मिडियांक क्वेश्चन्स विचारपाक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आसतली. अशें आयकून आयला की BJPची हायकमांड इज एक्स्ट्रीमली डिसअपॉइंटेड अँड फ्युरियस at the minister for having gotten himself into this position. पण जशें म्हळें आनी कांयच ऑप्शन नाशिल्लो म्हणून तांकां ही डिबेट एक्सेप्ट करची पडली. आनी फाल्यां जी मिनिस्टरान लोकांची दिशाभूल करपाक फटी मारिल्ले ताजी क्लॅरिफिकेशन दिवची पडटली. आनी त्या भायर गोवा मॉडेला प्रमाणे, दिल्ली मॉडेला प्रमाणे गोंयान गोंयकारांक फ्री इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कित्याक दिवंक शकना हे एक्सप्लेन करचे पडटले. आनी हांव सामान्य गोंयकार कसो फाल्यां येतलो अँड आय लूक फॉरवर्ड टू दीस डिबेट अँड टू डिसायड वेदर गोवा रिक्वायर्स भारतीय जनता पार्टी मॉडेल और आम आदमी पार्टी मॉडेल. थँक यू.
The day you had announced, Kabral, that day itself had said that he was ready for the debate. आम्ही तुमका ट्राय केले. You were not able to reach out. Any reason for that?
No, there is no reason for that. See, we are a party with discipline. We follow a certain protocol. Only Mr. Kabral cannot follow a protocol. It has to go through our media team. And we have never said that we will not do the debate. We were whenever the media asked us the question, we said we will do the debate. It's just that it has to happen through the right channels. And whenever through the right channels the question was asked, we have responded positively. And like I said, from Thursday till Monday, he took 5 days to think about whether to agree to this debate or not.
No, first day, the same day he had agreed.
He may have agreed, but he laid a lot of conditions. Kashi जावपाक जाय, कशी जावपाक जाय. He was not sure how the debate should be. So I think there does not need to be any protocol or any complication in a simple debate like this, where you just have to find out whether these facts are true and whether this model can be applied in Goa and why not.
फाल्यां ओरल डिबेट जातली काय ब्लॅक एंड व्हाईट एविडन्स प्रूव जातले?
सॉरी,
फाल्यां ब्लॅक एंड व्हाईट एविडन्स दिवप जातले काय ओरलच जातले?
ना, डिबेट ओरल जातली, पण तांकां जर कितें प्रूफ जाय डेफिनेटली आमी डॉक्युमेंटरी सपोर्ट आमी तांच्या भशेन बेठेच वाऱ्यान उलयना. वॉट एवर वी स्पीक इज बेस्ड ऑन फॅक्ट्स. आमचो मॉडेल इज प्रूवन. पीपल ऑफ दिल्ली आर बेनिफिटींग फ्रॉम इट. हांगा फक्त शब्दांनी उलयल्ले जाता आमी अशें करता तशें करता, लास्टाक लोकांच्या पयशांचे बोल्सांचे पयशे काडिल्ले जातात. हे स्वता मिनिस्टरानूच म्हणिल्लें आसा की कांयच फ्री दिवंक शकना. एक फ्री दिले जाल्यार खंयच्यान ते परत घेवचे पडटा. हे स्वता बाब निलेश काब्रालाचे शब्द. सो ही हॅज एडमिटेड that he is not capable of following the Delhi model, and tomorrow we will see why not.
Is it only you talk about power, or there are n number of issues in Goa because you are getting a chance to talk to a minister one to one. So would you highlight also those issues like coal, Mole, Madai?
Tomorrow's
Already
debate,
is the minister.
right, there are many issues related to governance. Tomorrow's debate is going to be short, I think. And we would like to cover all the problems that are related to power. And if he or other ministers or the CM himself agrees, we can have a series of
But he is
debates like
also
this.
the environment minister. That's why I'm saying.
Correct, but this whole debate saga started on the issue of power and comparing the power model of Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi and Bharatiya Janata Party in Goa. So I think we should finish that conversation first and then we can move on to other
Cabral
subjects.
accepting your challenge, you have put Cabral on back foot.
That I think people of Goa have seen when he refused and ran away from the debate with Mr. Raghav Chadda. He realized that the people did not like that, using excuses like protocol and other things. He must have realized that people want to know the answers to simple questions that Raghav Chadda and Aam Aadmi Party have raised and why they cannot benefit. Because all this time, whether the government is Bharatiya Janata Party or before that the Congress, people of Goa have always suffered. They have always had to pay high electricity bills. They have always had to suffer electricity blackouts. They have always had to suffer corruption in all these departments. So when Aam Aadmi Party has shown a model in Delhi, today people want to know why it cannot be implemented in Goa. It's a simple question.
When you talk about AAP model in Delhi, I hope you must remember also what is the current present situation as far as COVID handling, pollution. So I hope you would be also ready with your answers as far as these situations in Delhi are concerned.
Definitely, I think Raghav Chadda also was asked these questions, and as a representative of the Delhi government, he answered them very well. Tomorrow's debate, like I said, we will be focusing on electricity and power. But if the Bharatiya Janata Party wants debates on such issues as well, we are happy to have those debates. Thank you.